Hi and welcome to 1 Minute Math. Today we're talking about how to find the circumference of a circle. The circumference of a circle is the distance around the circle, kind of like perimeter. Here are the two formulas to find the circumference. The first one is if you're given the radius. You would do 2 times pi times the radius. If you're given the diameter, you can just do pi times diameter. Just for your reference, r again stands for radius, which is halfway across the circle. D is diameter, which is the full length of the circle. And then pi, we use 3.14. This example asks us to find the circumference of the circle. The radius is 5, so we do 2 times pi times 5 and get an answer of 31.40. Now you try it. Find the circumference. The diameter is 14. If you said 43.96, you are correct. Great job. All you have to do for this one is multiply the diameter, which was 14, times pi, 3.14. Hope this video helped explain how to find the circumference of a circle. If it did, please like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.